ये पूरा बता अच्छा execute method receives the two parameters like batchable context variables and second one is it will be the list of s object or something else and where in a execute method we write a logic for the code in a execute method and here the batch is divided into the number of batches and one batch is execute then another batch is execute and we know that the batch apex follows asynchronously so the batch is run in an asynchronously
Okay.
way.
Okay, fine. Geeta, what is the use of execute method?
Execute method is only for processing the data.
Okay. So whatever data we fetch from the start method.
Yeah, whatever we fetch from the start method. So
Okay.
we are executing in that.
Okay. So can I update the records from execute method?
Yes, Amarjit.
Or can we insert the record from batch like execute method?
Yeah, all the processing we should write in the execute method only, right?
Yes,
So we
exactly.
can do.
And what about finish method?
Finish method is only just to send mail or message something. So
When?
like optional.
When all the batches are
We have to
processed.
write that finish method, but it can be empty also.
Okay. So let's say if it is empty, so if I don't want to use this method, so can I do this? Like if it is like extra code for me, I don't want to use finish method in the, I want to use only start and execute method. I want to remove the code for execute like finish method. So can
No, we have to write that finish method with empty code. We have to write that finish method.
You mean to say it's mandatory, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. Yeah, good. Okay, fine. Okay, so can I call Nasir? Can I call one batch apex from another batch apex of execute method?
Yes, Amarjit. From execute method?
Yes.
No, Amarjit.
Okay.
We can call from a finish method.
Start method.
Start method also we cannot, Amarjit. But we can call from a finish method.
Okay. Geeta, can I do the DMLs in start method?
No, Amarjit.
Okay. So what is the governor limit for batch apex?
So actually 200 is a batch size.
No, I'm asking the governor limit. I'm not asking the batch size.
Governor limit for?
Batch apex. Okay, no worry. Animesh?
I'm thinking.
Sorry?
नहीं याद आ रहा है अभी तो।
नहीं याद आ रहा है, बहुत सही है। राहुल? Nasir?
It's 50 batches, Amarjit, per batch apex, right?
I'm not asking the batches. I'm asking the governor limit for in SOQ in batch apex.
SQL, Amarjit, governor limit for SQL?
See, if someone will ask you the governor limit for batch apex, they won't ask, they will ask the governor limits. Even I told multiple times in this class only, it's 50 million. I know you know,
Yeah.
but
Yes.
what I want to listen on that way. In that way, interview will ask you.
50 million records, yes.
50 million records. Okay. Okay, what is the default batch size for batch apex, Geeta?
Uh, 50 million, Amarjit. Just now you told, right?
Yeah, batch size.
200
Batch size is 200.
Okay, can I increase batch size?
No, no, we can decrease up to 1.
So we cannot increase, right?
Yes, yes.
Animesh, can we
We
increase
can increase up to 2000. Yes.
and decrease?
Yes. Less, मतलब one is a minimum. That's
Yeah, right. Exactly. We can increase and we can decrease. Okay. So Nasir, if I want to maintain the state of the batch apex, so what will I use?
Yeah, Majid, you have to implement database.stateful in the batch apex, Majid.
Yes, right. Okay.
That is important, Majid.
Yeah, this is important. Okay.
the
So
question
I
repeat.
want to do the call outs from batch apex, Animesh. So what will I use? I want to do some integration from batch apex.
Hello.
I want to make call out from batch apex. Geeta?
Database.lo call out.
Okay, fine. Great. Okay. So what is the use of iterable in batch apex, Geeta?
We can do like 50,000 records.
Yes, right. Okay, fine. Okay. So okay. Can I do the DMLs, 2 DMLs in execute method?
I think you can do, Amarjit.
Okay. Okay, so how to call, no, so can my batch apex be private, Animesh?
My batch apex is a private. No. Only
Then what it should be?
global. Global. It should be a global,
Not private.
not private.
Geeta?
Batch apex, no? Global.
Geeta, can it be private or global or public?
Global, Amarjit.
Okay, fine.
अमरजीत, अभी ये जो उन्होंने बताया था कि दो डीएमएल एक में कर सकते हैं ना?
हाँ. Depend on the different conditions.
ठीक है, in execute
But that is
method.
not a best practice. Okay. Okay, fine. So let's say my one, let's say my in my batch apex, my 2000 in the 2000 records, one record is failing. In that, like 2000, sorry, 200 is going on. Batch size is 200, it is going on. So one record is failing in 200 batch, in one batch. So what will be impact of on full batch?
No impact for the full batch because we know that the batch apex is running in a asynchronously now.
So it will be failed or not?
One batch is
Only
failed.
one. No,
so
that record, whichever it is failed, it will be, it will not be processed, Amarjit. Rest of the records will be processed.
okay. ये वाला इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन आप देखना इसका क्या है. So it will break the full transaction. It will break that full transaction and it will move to another transaction.
Transaction means batch, Amarjit, या फिर पूरा batch हमारा batch apex.
हाँ batch.
Okay.
200 वाला
Okay,
fail हो जाएगा और next वाले पे चला जाएगा.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. So can I make the order, different order. Let's say I'm using finish method, then I'm using start method, and then I'm using execute method, something like this. I want to interchange the method like top bottom. So can I do it, Geeta?
No, Amarjit.
Okay. Nimesh
No, Amarjit.
or Nasir bhai?
Because we have
No,
to get
Amarjit.
the code from the start
Yeah.
method only.
We can
Then
do.
It has to be
We can
synchronous.
do.
You mean the writing the code up and down, Amarjit?
No, that is not a best practice. That is not a best practice, but we can do.
No, writing the code.
No, I'm not asking the writing the code. I'm asking, let's say my start method. So I want to use start method at the top level on the first, and execute second, and third is finish. Like it's a like first is, instead of start I'm using finish method, instead of execute I'm using